Hey guys, it's AJ for Disney Food Blog, and I'm sorry I have a little cold today, but we're still going to talk about this awesome stuff. We're going to talk about 5 super fun rainy day Walt Disney World activities. So here's what you're going to do when it's pouring down rain in the middle of the summer, like it does like every day. So let's get started. First up, and I know this is what you guys are all going to write in the comments, so I'm going to go ahead and start with it because I think it's really important to note when it's rainy in Disney World, go out and ride the stuff anyway. Seriously, when it's rainy in Disney World is the best time actually to get out there in the parks, as long as it's not like thundering and lightning and hurricaning. Get out there in the parks and ride some stuff because those lines are going to be really short. A lot of the attractions have indoor lines, so you're not going to have to worry about that too much. It'll probably be relatively warm, so it's not going to be like cold, horrible rain. So just throw on your poncho and head out there and take advantage of those short lines. That's really one of our best tips of what to do on those rainy days. And a rainy day in Disney World is still a day in Disney World, so yay! So head out there and ride some stuff because you're going to have shorter lines. Okay, next up, something to consider when it's a rainy day and maybe you've already been out there riding the rides, or you'd rather not and you'd rather stay inside. Consider taking a little tour of the resorts on the monorail. What's really great is once you get into a resort and get on the monorail, you don't have to go back outside because the monorail sort of stops undercover and you won't be in the rain at all if you resort hop around the monorail. So you're going to go to Contemporary, Polynesian, and Grand Floridian. There's lots of great things to see at all of these resorts, lots of fun things to do. And of course, great restaurants, good shopping at all of them. Be sure to check out some of our other videos to see which restaurants we recommend in all of these places. But it's a fun thing to do, even with kids, even for kids, because they often will have kind of kids activities at some of the resorts, especially on rainy days, and maybe ask at concierge or at the front desk what activities might be happening while you are there. All right, another great rainy day activity. We're going to talk about going to other resorts as well. So you can resort hop on the monorail and literally never be outside in the rain at all. So that's a pro. But you can also head over to some of the other great resorts that aren't on the monorail. They all have fun activities to do, and you're welcome to do them even if you're not staying there. Most of them, I should say. Most of them you're welcome to do even if you're not staying there. Some are specific to the folks who are staying there, but you can always check at the front desk and see what's available to everybody. Great resorts we can recommend. Art of Animation has a really fun animation class that you can take, and they teach you kind of how to draw. It's really neat. Over at Animal Kingdom Lodge, they've always got cool stuff going on at Animal Kingdom Lodge. You can do that fun hidden Mickey hunt over at Wilderness Lodge. That's great. Wilderness Lodge has great little places to kind of hide out too on rainy days. So really, any of those fun deluxe resorts, those are great places to go check out, look around on those rainy days. Okay, so it's still raining. You're on your trip and it's raining for the 4th day in a row. What are you gonna do? Head over to Disney Springs. They have a giant movie theater, AMC movie theater there. Head over there and pop in and see a movie with your family. I know it seems kind of silly. You're at Disney World and you're going to see a movie. It's something you could do at home. But if it's a pouring down rainy day and you're kind of having a little day off anyway, sometimes it's fun to just chill out, watch a movie, and enjoy that with your family. And also at Disney Springs, another great way to spend a day is going bowling over at Splitsville. Splitsville is kind of a high-end bowling alley, but they've got some really good food. They've got really fun bowling lanes, good decor, a couple of cool lounges to hang out in too. So even if you don't have kids, this is a good option for a rainy day. So Splitsville's a lot of fun. I do recommend the food there. It is sort of pub grub. They have some good sushi. They've got decent pizzas and a very expansive menu, like a lot of food. So good things to try there for sure. So those are some of our top tips for a way to spend a rainy day in Walt Disney World, because chances are you're going to have one, especially if you're there in the summer and during hurricane season. It usually will rain for a little bit in the afternoon, but always remember that most of those rainstorms are just going to be a short time. There are a few days in Orlando that it will rain all day long, but usually those summer days will just have a couple of rainstorms in the late afternoon and then it'll clear up. So be prepared. It's probably not going to last all day. You're not going to have to worry too much about that, but bring your ponchos, bring your umbrellas, and be prepared for the rain to hit at some point on your trip. But there's lots of things to do to keep you busy, even if it is raining. So please let us know in the comments, what are your thoughts? What are your favorite things to do when it's raining at Walt Disney World? And please give us a like and a subscribe if you like these videos. And we can't wait to hear your thoughts. This is AJ for Disney Food Blog, and we'll see you real soon.